Malik Iqbal Hussain present another video on deadly viruses which are very harmful for human being. Humans have been battling viruses since before our species had even evolved into the modern form. For some viral disease, vaccine and antiviral drugs have allowed us to keep infection from spreading widely and have helped sick people recover. Viruses are very important because they are affecting the human directly, and now the today we are confused about the status of viruses. Now we discuss about the deadly virus affecting humans and discuss details about its importance and its effects on human body. Many, uh, at least 12 viruses are affecting humans, and we will be just discussing about this widely. First of all is Marburg viruses. Scientists identified Marburg viruses in 1967 when small outbreaks occurred among lab workers in Germany who were exposed to infected monkeys imported from Uganda. Marburg virus is similar to the Ebola. In both can cause fever, meaning that the infected people develop high fever and bleeding throughout the body that can lead to shock. Second is Ebola. Ebola virus is also very dangerous to human body and is directly attack on humans, and it is very dangerous. The first known Ebola outbreak in humans struck simultaneously in the Republic of the Sudan and the Democratic Republic of Congo in 1976. Ebola is spread through contact with blood or other body fluids or tissue from the infected people or animals. Ebola is deadly virus and it is also affecting it and has died many persons. 71% has been died due to Ebola, according to WHO reports. Rabies. Rabies. What is rabies? Now we're discussing elaborately. Although rabies vaccine for pets, which were introduced in 1920, have helped make the disease exceedingly rare in the developed world. This condition remains a serious problem in the India and part of Africa. It destroys the brain. It is a really, really bad disease. I think rabies is a very dangerous disease, and it is because of due to viruses. We have a vaccine against rabies, and we have antibodies that work against rabies. HIV. HIV is also spreading due to virus. In the modern world, the deadliest viruses of all, which has no cure, may be HIV. It is still the one of that is the biggest killer, said Dr. Amish, an infectious disease physician and spokesman for the Infectious Disease Society of America. An estimated 32 million people have died from HIV since the disease was first recognized in the early 1980. HIV has no cure and it is spreading now. Smallpox. In 1980, the World Health Assembly declared the world free of smallpox. But before that, humans battled smallpox for thousands of years, and the disease killed about one and in three of those it infected, it left survivors who deep permanent scars, often and blindness. Mortality rates were far higher in the population outside of Europe, where people had little contact with the viruses before visitors brought it into the region. Smallpox is very dangerous, but it is not seen in Pakistan and other country. Hantavirus. Hantavirus is also a virus. Hantavirus public syndrome first gained wide attention in the US in 1993 when a healthy young Navajo man and his finance living in four corners area of the United States died within days of the developing shortness of breath. A few months later, health authorities isolated hantavirus from a deer mouse living in the home of one of the infected people. Hantavirus is also a dangerous virus which we have also described about Ebola, HIV, and other viruses, influenza. During a typical flu season, up to 50,000 people worldwide will die from the illness, according to WHO. But occasionally, when a new flu strain emerges, a pandemic result with a faster spread of disease and often higher mortality rate. But in Pakistan, it is not so. It is not so effective, and no many person has been died due to influenza. Uh, Only small people will be affected from this, but I think it is not so deadly. Dengue is dengue often in speak in Pakistan dengue and now English dengue. Dengue virus first appeared in the 1950 in the Philippines and Thailand and has since spreading throughout the tropical and subtropical region of the globe. Up to 40% of the world population now lives in area where dengue is endemic and disease. Dengue is very dangerous and it kills many men. So we have described about it shortly due to lack of time. Rotavirus. Rotavirus. What is rotavirus? Two vaccines are now available to protect children from rotavirus, the leading cause of severe sterile illness among babies and young children. SARS-CoV. SARS-CoV. What is SARS-CoV? And is infection. The virus that causes severe acute respiratory syndrome first appeared in 2002 in the province of the South China, according to the WHO. The virus likely emerged in the bats initially, then hopped into the called called mammals, nocturnal mammals, called civetus, before finally infecting humans. After triggering an outbreak in China, SARS spread to 26 countries around the world. SARS 2 belong to the same large family of the virus as SARS 1, known as coronavirus, and was first identified in December 2019 in the Chinese city of Wuhan. The virus likely originated in bats like SARS COVID and passed through an intermediate animal before infecting people. Since its appearance, the virus has infected tens of thousands of people in China and thousands of other worldwide. The ongoing outbreak prompted an extensive quarantine of Wuhan and nearby city, restriction on travel to and from affected countries, and worldwide efforts to develop diagnosis, treatment, and vaccine. The disease caused by SARS-CoV-2 called COVID-19 has been estimated mortality rate of about 2.33%. People who are older or have an underlying health condition seem to be most at risk of having severe disease or complication. Common symptoms include fever, dry cough, and shortness of breath, and the disease can progress to pneumonia in severe cases. Also, it is spreading in many countries, especially America, Canada, France, Germany, Italy, and many other countries. MERS-CoV. MERS-CoV, it is also the virus that caused Middle East respiratory syndrome of MERS, sparked an outbreak in Saudi Arabia in 2012 and another in South Korea in 2015. The MERS The MERS virus belong to the same family of viruses as SARS-CoV and likely originally in the bats as well as the disease infected camels before passing into the humans and triggers fever, coughing and shortness of breath in infected people. Now we will discuss about the different viruses which are affecting human bodies seriously and causing many problems for the people. And now nowadays uh, we are facing the COVID-19. Please subscribe my channel and give your comments about I have supplied. I have given you many many kinds of viruses which are spreading in before time or heretofore. Thank you for watching. Inshallah, we shall meet again. Thank you so much.